Hey, what's up everyone? It's Anson here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Otofix IM1. This thing is equivalent of the Autel higher end diagnostic tool. I'll be showing you guys the in-depth UI and usage for this product. Here are all the things it could do and some more. This thing costs about 1.5k Canadian, so it is not cheap at all. I'll be showing you guys what it includes and what the UI looks like. It's a pretty well built product. The box is very solid. Everything's strapped down. Let's see what kind of accessories it includes. Some stuff for car key reprogramming, EEPROM stuff. Here's the Bluetooth OBD scanner that connects to that. Also has a nice light built in so you could find the OBD port. Put that back. That's the charging cable, I believe. And some USB dongles if you want to use it on your PC. And this thing right here, apparently it's for reprogramming your car keys. So you plug this cable into here and you could reprogram your vehicle keys, which the dealer usually charges from 500 and up nowadays. So that's great to have. Apparently it could reprogram ECUs and many more. Start it up. Alright, so now that we got better lighting in here, this is what the UI looks like. You got the immobilizer, programmer, key via dump, diagnostic service, all that. You can update it as well. And it does ECU replacements for certain vehicles. We're going to connect to the programmer to see that. These are all the other things on the other page. This is based off an Android tablet, but everything has been reprogrammed. Flashlight cameras and a very sturdy bumper guard all around. It's got a huge battery in it as well, 5,800 milliamp hours, I believe. And it goes very bright. Got on auto right now. So another thing it has, it's a remote desktop, which runs off TeamViewer. So if you're working off a workstation with a desktop or laptop, you could connect to this and work that way. So you don't have to be in the vehicle. Everything can be done from another location. Let's say you got a remote programmer that wants to wire in to your tablet and program. You don't have to have them on site, as this could all be done remotely. It's got many other things as well, which I have not played with yet. But to get it working, you gotta pay a yearly fee of, I think, $110 or $130. We will find out right now. I haven't paid yet because I have not started to use it yet. So let's see how much it costs. Now that I've got Wi-Fi, let's see how much this thing costs. $139. It's not bad considering this thing is $1,500. And I think after the first year, it's $10 a year or $10 a month after that. You also got Chrome on here as well, so you could look up diagnostic codes and such. Right now I'm hooking up the key scanner tool just to see what it looks like when plugged in. It has 2 USB-C ports, micro SD card, camera, flashlight. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool that everything is in USB-C. So you know this is the newest tablet available. It's got a USB-C to 3 USB 3.0 dongles as well. So I'm gonna plug this in now and see what I can find when I put my car key in for scanning. Apologies if this ain't going as smooth as you would expect. It's my first time using it as well. This display looks really bright for an outdoor sunny day. It's just the screen protector is causing a lot of glare. So let's see. Key programmer. So I've got a RAM key we'll put in there. It's doing his work. As you can see, it's flashing. So that's the detected key type. So what we could do is read key information, write lock check and all that. So I'm gonna read key information. That's what it pulled off from it. That's my key ID. Pretty cool. I'll take my key out now. So as you can see, it does a pretty good job of reading car keys, at least my key. And you could do ECU replacement and such, which I'm not going to do today. Diagnostics, I heard it works very well on the Autels, and I'm sure it works just as well on this because it's running the Autel software legally, as they've purchased the software licensing from Autel. So this is pretty much an Autel tablet with a better price, and the tech support is quite well. I've emailed them many times, asked them a lot of questions. They were quick to get back to me, and if they couldn't answer it, they would get their engineers on. So this is quite a good product for a business or a more hardcore DIYer, in my opinion, because I have not programmed a car key before, but this makes it seem like it's quite easy to do. And the quality is very good on this, like how everything is packaged. The silicone they use and plastic seems very professional, and just the packaging itself, right? Like you can see, everything's got its own nice Velcro strap. Packaging is great, and everything is in USB-C, which I like a lot. Also got Ethernet, USB-C to Ethernet, so if you got no Wi-Fi, you could go hardwire. Awesome. And I like how organized everything is. Looks professional and reliable, which is what you want when using a device like this. Anyways, if this video helped you guys out on deciding if this will work for you, I give it a 9 out of 10 so far. Seems pretty easy to use, and the packaging and build quality is very good. So anyways, hope this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you got any comments. You can leave it down below. I'll link this in the description. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.